Hello everyone, it's Kaltu Daniel and welcome to the greatest Python series. We are going to go from absolute beginner all the way up to working effectively as a Python developer. If you are brand new, this is the place to start. As promised earlier, in this video, we will set up our Python environment and we'll start by downloading Python. So without much ado, let's dive in. To download Python, just go to their site, python.org. I'll attach the link in the video description. And once you are in the site, just go to this downloads tab and click on this button to download. So this will be the latest version. So currently, during my time of recording, it is 3.12.4, but the one that will appear in yours, just click on that. So if I click this button, my download will begin. Once the download has completed, go to where you saved your download and double click on that .exe file, and this installation wizard will appear. Here, you need to check this add python.exe to path and also this admin privileges when installing. After that, click on custom installation. Here, ensure all options are selected and click next. Under advanced options, select install Python 3.12 for all users and all other things you can leave as default, then click install. That might ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, then here we go. You can see our installation has begun. This will take some time, so let's wait for it. Once it has finished and it prompts a success message, you can click on close. To verify your installation, you can open command prompt by just typing cmd on your search. And once you are in the command prompt, you can just type on python space -- then version. Once you press enter, the Python version will be displayed. Also, you can just type on Python to enter on shell mode. Once you're in shell mode, you can just write your code there. Like I can write 5 + 5 and I get 10. And to exit the shell mode, I can just type on exit, then press on enter. Now that we have Python installed, we will write our first Python code in the next video. We will explore Python's interactive mode using the shell and the idle. Can't wait to see you there. Peace out.